Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge fuel pump issues and outlines potential problems that may affect fuel delivery in certain situations. In general terms, a fuel pump is responsible for sending fuel from the tank to the engine at the required pressure, and when this process is disrupted, the vehicle may experience difficulty starting, inconsistent performance, or unexpected engine behavior. Fuel system design and components can vary by model year and engine configuration, so not every Ford Edge will be affected in the same way. In documented automotive service information, fuel pump-related problems may indicate internal pump wear, reduced fuel pressure, or electrical control issues that interfere with proper operation. In some cases, related components such as wiring connections or control modules could be a potential contributing factor. Older vehicles may experience wear-related concerns over time, while newer versions could show different patterns depending on design updates and operating conditions. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions are typically focused on proper diagnosis of fuel pressure and system operation, followed by repair or replacement of affected components if faults are confirmed. Routine inspections and addressing warning signs early may help reduce the risk of further drivability issues. Overall, fuel pump-related problems can differ based on vehicle age, maintenance history, and usage. Not every symptom points to a failed pump, and accurate diagnosis is essential to determine the correct course of action for a specific Ford Edge. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.